Good morning, New York. Yeah, super proudly. Welcome back to another episode of Dinner That's Dumbbells. Dinner to Dumbbells. In this episode, we're going to talk about one tip that would help you to release a lot of the tensions on your arms. A very simple and easy technique you can use in anywhere as long as you can find a towel, a strap, or a rope. Anything that's like long enough to hold up your arms. I just use the yoga mat's strap. Hold onto both sides of the strap. If your arms can bend, that means you need a longer rope. I'm kind of tiny, so I don't really need like a long one. So this actually works perfectly. Hold onto the rope and then just like go back slowly, right? And then come back up. So you wanted to do a couple of these reps. This is a really simple exercise to help you to stretch your arms if your arms are really, really stiff. This is great for people who does a lot of weight training. If I show you on the side, you would see basically you go up and then pass, and you can feel like the stretch. You can feel the stretch at the back. So stretch it out and then come back. So stretch it out and then go back. You can do it wherever you want. Like this is also good for people who sit in the office all the time because that helps you to open your back, because we tend to, when we're sitting in the office, we tend to do a lot of this like computer posture, right? So it's a really good exercise. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you really like this tip. I hope these quick tips help you. Let me know if it doesn't or whatever. Be careful out there, okay? Be careful and enjoy your day, all right? All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, if you're new here, hi, my name's Victoria. I help busy people like you to stay fit through nutrition and exercises. So if you are interested in more videos like this, definitely check out some of my videos in this channel, or you can just search me every time for Dinner to Dumbbells. Ow, stop using the mouse to poke my face. That's not nice. All right, I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye.